କୋଉଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୁଏ? From the womb of the mother and it ends in the cremation field. ମାତୃ ଗର୍ଭରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୁଏ, ଶେଷ ହୁଏ ମଶାଣି ଶାଳା। You know many things about this honorable Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, about whom your elder sister Bebina told before you. He was a great person. There is no comparison to him because he gave importance to education and teacher. ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଜିନିଷ ଉପରେ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଯେ ମୋ ଜନ୍ମ ପାଳନର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ନାହିଁ। You observe, celebrate my birthday as Teachers' Day. Teachers are the guide. It is said, कहा जाए, a teacher is a great philosopher and guide. Why we say? कहा जाए, जो शिक्षक होउछि तुम्हारा बंधु, गोटे शिक्षक तुम पर दार्शनिक एवं से पथ प्रदर्शक। We find many friends in the society, but why importance is given upon the teacher? Because he shows the light, he shows the path, he builds the person. से बड़े थाए, से मनीष को पथ प्रदर्शन करी थाए, मनीषर भविष्यत गढ़ी थाए, आ मनीषर भविष्यत ही देशर भविष्यत निर्भर करे। If you go to history, you will find the students were sent to Gurukula for learning. शिक्षा पाइबा पाई प्रथमे गुरुकुल को पठे दिया होता। After 5+, everybody is sent to Gurukula, where they forget any sort of contact with their parents. Only one person was there, he is their teacher, who builds him, by which they were able to lead a happy life, to lead a perfect life, to lead a complete life. गुरुकुल तो 5 वर्ष हो जाए पठे दिया हुए, बापा माँ घरे रहती, सी शिक्षक का पार रहे एवं तार परफेक्शन करा जाए जेतबेले से जोटा को माने हमर काम करिबा शक्ति यौवन शक्ति आसे जेतबेले हमें निजे किछि करि परिबा, at that time he was coming from that Gurukula and was able to maintain a perfect life. सब करि करतला, रोजगार करि करतला, सामाजिक जीवन मेंटेन करतला, ता संसार मेंटेन करतला। Now we are seeing many residential schools, many residential colleges. But what is the difference between that Gurukula and the present residential colleges or schools? आज जो आवासिक विद्यालय बात आप कहूँ रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल बोली कहूँ, रेसिडेंशियल कॉलेज बोली कहूँ, what is the difference? There is hell and heaven difference. What my observation, ମୁଁ ଯାହା ଅନୁଧ୍ୟାନ କରୁଛି, these institutions have only one thing, how to make a student to earn something. केमिति गुडे रोजगार करिवे सेठी कर दउछथि, but they have forgotten one thing, what is the necessity of every human being in life, that is discipline. प्रत्येक जीवन प्रत्येक स्तर रे मनुष्यर श्रृंखला दरकार, but we are forgetting that. आबे भूली जाउछु। देखिबो बहु जगह रे इंजीनियरिंग पढुची, एक आज सकाळे गोटे मिले देखिछि 4 जण इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज पढुथुआ पिला ब्राउन सुगर विभिन्न इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज धरिकी बुलुछथि। दे आर स्पॉइलिंग द लाइफ, जीवन नष्ट हो जाउछ। ବ୍ରାଉନ୍ ସୁଗର ଥରେ ପାଟିରେ ଲାଗିଲା ମାନେ ନିଶା ପାଗଳ ହୋଇଯିବ, ସରିଲା ତା ଜୀବନ ସେଇଠି ସରିଲା। It is the difference between Gurukula and the present institutions. So who would solve the problem? This is the day of the call. This is the call of the day.